Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Acer monitor to Xbox One. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing and liking the video for more this type of content. If you want to connect Acer monitor to Xbox One, then we need to follow some steps. Here you will see what you will need. Xbox One console, monitor with HDMI input, HDMI cable included with the Xbox One, and power source for the monitor. These are the steps you need to consider. First, power off the Xbox One. Before making any connections, turn off your Xbox One. Second, locate HDMI ports. On the Xbox One, find the HDMI port. On the HDMI one, find the HDMI out port, usually located on the back of the console, and in the monitor, find an available HDMI input. Third, connect the HDMI cable. Plug one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI out port on the Xbox One and plug the other end into the HDMI in port on your monitor. Then power on the monitor. Make sure your monitor is plugged in and power on. Power on the Xbox One. Turn on your Xbox One console. Select the correct input on the monitor. Use the monitor input selection button, often found on the front or side of the monitor, to switch to the HDMI input you connected to the Xbox One. Then adjust settings. If the display does not appear correctly, you may need to adjust the resolution setting on your Xbox One. For that, go to settings, then go to display and sound, then go to video output to select the appropriate resolution. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.